The air code F40 on a Kenmore dryer indicates a communication breakdown between the motor control and the main control board. This issue can be caused by faulty wiring or clogged ducts. To fix the problem, start by checking the wiring. Turn off the dryer and cut the power at the circuit breaker. Then remove the 3 screws at the back that support the console assembly and pull it forward to access the unit's interior. This will give you a clear view of the motor control unit, the main control board, and the user interface electronics. Inspect the communication harness between the motor control and the main control units, ensuring that the connections are firm and dust-free. Reheat the connections to remove any dirt and corrosion buildup, and check the wire harness to ensure the wires are fully inserted and clean. Additionally, reheat the wires to remove any dust. Next, check the dryer for clogging by removing the hose at the back and starting a drying cycle to monitor the airflow. Ensure that the airflow is forceful and unhindered, and that the hose is well suspended to prevent lint accumulation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your dryer working properly again.